In this video, we will show you how to register and manage customer debt in Alto's POS. Option 1. Using the back office. First, go to Customers and open Customer List to create a new customer profile. Next, open the Customer Debt page and tap the plus icon to register a new debt. Select the customer from the list, enter the debt amount, and add a comment if necessary, and tap Save. To register customer payment, tap the plus icon again and choose Debt Payment. Enter the payment amount and a comment. Then tap Save to update the customer debt balance. Option 2. Using the point of sale interface. First, go and add products to the ticket. Before tapping the charge button, make sure the customer is added to the sale. To do this, tap the Add Customer icon at the top and then tap Add Customer. Enter the customer name and any additional information if needed. Then tap Save. Next, tap Charge and select Debt to complete the sale. Receiving full or partial debt payments. To receive a full or partial payment from the customer, open the Customer Debt page. Tap the plus icon and choose Debt Payment. Enter the payment amount based on your business needs. Then tap Save. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below the video, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.